Now, in our software development lifecycle, we talked about requirement gathering phase and a design phase. Once this two phase is ready, now you have a group of people called software developers. Now, software developers are the people, they know PHP, C Sharp, Java, front end, back end, APIs. They know how to build the software. This is very similar to construction workers. They can build house, right? So just like that. Now, software developers are a team will start coding the application. Coding phase is pretty straightforward. So now, as an objective of this program, since you're SDET students, software development engineering in test, because you're not going to be a software developer for now, we're going to make this phase pretty straightforward. Based on the requirement document is ready, the design document is ready, software developers will start developing the application by writing codes like Java, SQL to build applications. It's front end and it's back end. In our previous videos, we talk about what's front end. Front end is graphical user interface, which means that when you log into Amazon or zenreceipt.com on your phone, when you open the app, whatever you see is graphical user interface or UI, user interface. That's front end. Back end is where the logic happens. Back end is where the database and all the information is saved. That's called backend. Now, software developers will, based on a design document and requirement document, will start building the software, front end of the software, back end of the software, integrating them, making sure it works. That is development phase of the software development life cycle. Now we have learned requirement gathering phase, where business analysts will talk to a client and user, understand how software should work, and writing into English document, turning in that English document to requirement document. That's called requirement gathering phase. The outcome of requirement gathering phase is requirement document. Sometimes this process of building the requirement document, they call it requirement engineering. In tech, you're going to see lots of jargons. Requirement engineering. What kind of engineering this is? You're going to get scared. Oh my God, engineering, right? So now I want you to get comfortable. When people throw big words at you, requirement engineering, don't get scared. In IT, that's how it works. Requirement engineering is literally business analysts talk to client. Hey, how your application should work, taking note. That's called requirement engineering, okay? Don't get scared in IT. So requirement engineering, outcome of requirement gathering phase or requirement engineering is a requirement document. Now, the outcome of design phase is the blueprint of software, front end, back end, how it should work. The outcome of the development phase is a working, functioning software, which is its initial version. Now we have 3 steps: requirement gathering, design, and development, right? Now in our next video, we're going to talk about testing, which is very important for our students. You're going to be software development engineering test. So see you in our next video. What happens in the testing phase of software development lifecycle.